Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on squaring binomials. I think this is the last video in the series, no? Kasi marami na naman tayo naging examples. And I think hindi naman siya ganun kahirap na topic, no? So, sa previous videos, pinag-aralan natin yung derivation ng a plus b quantity squared, no? Paano siya naging a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And of course, pinag-aaralan din natin itong a minus b quantity squared. No? So, itutuloy lang natin yung mga examples. And if you want to find out, no, paano naging itong expression pag in-expand mo itong a plus b squared, and also, paano naging a squared minus 2ab plus b squared itong a minus b quantity squared. Maganda panoorin nyo yung unang video dito sa series kasi doon ko paniliwanag uh, yung equation na yan. Paano siya naging ganyan. So, sa video na to, ang gagawin lang natin is to have more examples. So, 3a plus v quantity squared. Ang pinaka-importante is, siyempre, ay malaman natin kung alin ba yung a tsaka alin ba yung b, no? And this, in this expression, yung a natin ay 3u, no? Tsaka yung b natin ay yung v. So, importante, tama lang yung ating pag-substitute, no? So, this is a addition, therefore, case 1 siya, di ba? Plus yung ating gitna. So, addition yung operation natin. Meaning, we square a, we square 3u squared, no? And then plus, we have a 2 times a, which is 3u, times b, which is yung v. Okay? And then plus yung b squared natin, which is v squared. Nalagyan ko siguro ng... Okay, so magiging, what is 3u squared? 3u squared means 3u times 3u, di ba? So, pag sinabi mong 3u times 3u. So, 3 times 3 is 9, then u times u is u squared. Meaning, this is 9. This is equal to 9u squared. U squared plus, what is 2 times 3? That is 6. Tapos may u tayo, tsaka v, multiplication lang. So, tabi lang natin yan. Then plus v squared. Okay, so ito na yung pinakasagot natin. Ganun din dito. 5y minus 2z quantity squared. So, case 2 naman siya. Ang a naman natin dito ay 5y, tsaka yung b naman natin ay 2z. So, this is equal to a squared. Ito na tayo sa pangalawa. And this is 5y squared. We have a minus 2 times a. Ano a natin? 5y, di ba? 5y times b, which is 2z, plus, what is b squared? 2z squared. So this is 5y quantity squared means 5y times 5y. 5 times 5 is 25. Y times y is y squared. And then minus. What is 2 times 5 times 2? 20, di ba? 20. Tapos may y tayo tsaka z. Yz. And then plus. What is 2z times 2z? 4z squared. Okay, what about negative 7p minus 2q quantity squared? Ano ang a natin dyan? Importante alam natin yung a. Yung a natin ay yung negative 7p. Ang b natin ay yung 2q. Okay, so, paano natin gagawin yan? So, negative 7p squared, diba? Kasi yan yung ano natin eh. Yan yung ating a. And then we have a minus. Since minus ito, case 2 siya dito. 2 times a times b. So, 2 times A. Yung A natin, alam na natin ito na yun, di ba? So, negative 7 B times B. Anong B natin? 2Q. Then plus B squared, which is 2Q squared. So, this is equal to 49P squared. Negative 7 times negative 7 times negative 7. So, negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. P times P is P squared. Then minus 2 times, what is 2 times negative 7? Negative 14 times 2 times negative 28. Pero may P, saka may Q. And then plus 2Q squared means 2 squared Q squared. 2Q times 2Q. 2Q times 2Q. So 4Q squared. So this is equal to, ano ang minus negative? Di ba plus siya? So 49P squared plus 28PQ plus 4Q squared. Okay, so last example, anong A natin? Ang A natin ay X at ang B natin ay 1/3. So this is equal to X squared plus A squared natin yan, diba? 2 times A, which is X, times B, which is 1/3. Then plus B squared, 1/3 squared. Ang B natin ni 1/3, diba? So, this is X squared plus, what is 2 times 1/3? Dalawang 1/3, diba? 2/3. 2/3 X plus, what is 1/3 quantity squared? 1/3 times 1/3, ibig sabihin yan. This is 1/9. Okay. 1/9. Okay, that's it. Yan yung ating series on squaring binomials. We had a lot of examples in the previous videos. So, I think that would be enough. No? So, kung gusto niyo pang mag-practice, of course, meron pa mga practice exercises. Siguro maglilink ako sa baba. So, abang-abangan niyo lang yung mga practice exercises natin with answers. No? Okay, so kung gusto niyo matuto pa ng math, subscribe kayo, no, at mag-explore kayo sa Siplayan YouTube channel, no? Tapos pwede rin kayong mag-like ng ating Facebook page. Ito yung ating address, and of course our website, sitnayan.com. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.